In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off automatic text resizing in PowerPoint so your text stays exactly the size you want it. This is really useful if PowerPoint keeps shrinking your font every time you type more text into a box, and you want full control over your layout and design. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick PowerPoint tips. Let's jump right in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide that contains the text box you want to change. Click the text box once so it's selected. This is important because the setting we need is tied to that specific text box, not the entire slide. Now, right-click on the selected text box. A menu will appear, and from that menu, choose Format Shape. This opens the formatting panel on the right side of the screen, where you can adjust different properties of the text box. Inside the Format Shape panel, look for the Text Options section. You'll see an icon that looks like an A. Click that icon to switch from Shape Settings to Text Settings. Once you're in Text Options, click on the text box. This is where PowerPoint keeps the autofit controls. Now scroll down until you find the autofit setting. By default, PowerPoint may be set to resize the text automatically so everything fits inside the box. That can be helpful in some cases, but if you want to keep your font size consistent, it can be annoying. Under Autofit, select Do Not Autofit. This tells PowerPoint to stop shrinking or adjusting the text automatically. Once you choose Do Not Autofit, you can close the panel. That's it. Your text will no longer resize automatically when you type more or adjust the content. Instead, it will stay at the size you set, giving you more control over how your slide looks. If you want to keep your presentations looking clean and professional, this is one of those small PowerPoint settings that makes a big difference. It helps you avoid unexpected font changes, keeps your formatting consistent, and makes it easier to design slides exactly the way you want. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more PowerPoint tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.